What's good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. We're here in Hacienda Heights, climbing to go up Turnbull Canyon. 4 of us here, 3 mountain bikes, 1 cafe racer. Got a Specialized Levo here with Hoy is his name. I have a Scott Genius mountain bike today with a BBS HD. Crystal has her BBS02 frame. I have a mullet style, by the way. It's 26 in the rear and 27 and a half in the front. And yeah, it likes to wheelie. Alright, let's keep going. Good job, guys. That's one of the hardest parts today. That's it. Wonder if we're gonna see any tarantulas or rattlesnakes. I wonder. We got Sai Temple, 12 o'clock, downtown LA, 10 o'clock, Catalina in the distance. Really nice view up here. Alright, here we go, single track section. Mix of ups and downs, some winds, but overall, gradually climbing up. Alright, it's about to get funner now. Warren had to go back because his bike was having controller issues. It was overheating. So it's just 3 of us now, all with full suspensions. Mountain bike. If you want to lower your seat, this would be a good time. Only if you want. Okay, because it's like 9 rollers or jumpers. Okay. This is called like the freeway. All right. So it's like a nice slide downhill. It's up to you if you want to jump. It's pretty fun if you do, but you could just roll it too. Yeah. Take your time. This is where we have fun mostly. Let's rock and roll. Oh my gosh, I love this mullet style. Feels so jumpy. Send it. Oh, all crooked and everything. No brakes, no brakes. No brakes. It's like poops there. Oh, my brakes was really weak.
I mean, you saw right here and you looked great.
Yeah, I was trying. I wasn't gonna get you. Whew. How would you like that?
Oh, that's pretty fun.
Alright. So we typically ask, you definitely if you want to brake here, brake. But we're gonna go one more time in the slide.
Okay.
What would you like?
I don't need a brake. I'm still feeling pretty good.
Alright, well we're gonna go climb up and then, because that was what we call the pre-ride.
Oh, so you come down and you go back up and
Yeah.
do another run down?
Yeah.
Peaceful.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Are you scared?
Hoy is game for another run down the slide, down the freeway slide. Second time down freeway. Let's get it. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Gonna try to feather and not brake so much. Yes, sir. Oh Wow, we're picking up a lot of speed. Mamma mia! Whew. Try to send it. There's no place to brake. Whew. You didn't give me space to brake, Crystal. I said give me space to brake. All right. That was nice.
That was fun.
Yeah. All right. Spent about 15-20 minutes up here watching the sunset. Time to hit the road. Call it a day. So apparently Hoy also runs his own rides, but he's more of a morning person. But he's gonna send me some links to his meetup bike rides as well. So that'd be cool. Try morning sometimes. Alright, bombs away. Downhill time. Alrighty folks, that's going to be in today's e-bike adventure. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.